All right, I've got a really nice Ariens mini zoom 1434. This is a heavy duty little mower. It's not like a full-blown commercial that's super fast, but it is built heavy duty with the strong frame, fabricated deck that's reinforced around the edges, and bigger front casters. It does not have an hour meter on it, but it runs perfect. Been really well taken care of. You can tell by how clean it is, and not just because we cleaned it, but it's not beat up and damaged. 14.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. Give you a little walk around here. It does have a grass chute, but underneath it's got a mulching guard on it. Foot pedal deck height adjustment. It's got an e-brake right here. Choke it and start it up for you. No smoke blowing. Motor's not vibrating or doing anything it shouldn't do. Go ahead and lower this deck. That's a little too low probably. Got a little locking pin just like the commercial ones. It's just everything's a little smaller. See some of this that I mow right here. My yard's not too tall right now. Blades. Nice smooth operating deck, not vibrating or anything it shouldn't be doing. Oh yeah, you can see that. Great for a homeowner, even with a small yard. You can get right through the deck, or if you're a company that's getting started and don't want to push mow the backyards, this will fit right through the gate. That's what I meant a second ago. Good mower right here. Nothing wrong with it at all.